Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description.
Hey, what's up? Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm gonna show you some payment proof. Because I know a lot of people, when they see videos on YouTube, they're like, "This is fake. This ain't real. BS." But I'm gonna take you to my PayPal account, show you a quick $50 commission that I made. This comes from a program I've been talking about in several videos. An easy side hustle to make you 50 bucks over and over again. And after the first video I put up, within a few hours, I got my first 50 bucks. And like I said, it's easy money. So check this out. All right, here you go. Real quick. Boom. 50 bucks into the account. February 23rd. You see it's real. Hopefully I ain't giving away no real details. But that's the company right there. 50 bucks. PayPal. You see it right there. So guys, it's real. I know a lot of people like payment proof, and a lot of people are like, "Oh, this is fake." Oh, but it's real. This is my account. 50 bucks. I'm about to go spend it. Peace. Alright guys, so if you want to get started with this program that can make you $50 commissions over and over again, all you need to do is click the link. You already know the deal. Click the link in the description of this video. You go over there, you create a free account, right? Once you get a free account, you have to earn 1 credit. A lot of people are using the the bank account with aspirations. They're signing up with that. Once you earn that 1 credit, you'll get your referral link. You're eligible to promote this offer. Every referral you get, you earn $50 sent straight to your PayPal. And it's real quick, guys. Now, keep in mind, you do not have to do the aspirations offer, but you have to do enough offers to equal 1 credit with Jungle, what's the name of it? Jungle Paradise, right? You have to do enough, have 1 credit. So you could do a couple other offers. You know, it don't have to be the aspirations banking, but that's the easiest to do, and it's free. You don't have to spend any money with this opportunity at all. Once you get your referral link, guys, don't be afraid to share it. Share it on your social media, share it with your family, share it with your friends, because it's easy money. All right, enough talking. Go make that money.